One extra.
Sounds of the verse.
Yeah, myself, Micofcourse. West London in the building, sounds of the verse. Anti Sir Spyro. This one's treble clef. Anti Logan, anti SBK, anti everyone. Listen to this though. Look, this Nokia's ringing on Christmas Day, cause when people drink they wanna sniff. You did this thing for some instant fame, I did this thing for an instant wage. I was told don't judge a book by its cover, but me and them man are on a different page. And every L that I took in my life, bro, me and them man are from a different place. I love London town, cause when the sun comes out, I swear down that it turns to a different place. See me in the pub, but my thing ain't no pub grub. I got this on me like StubHub. And yeah, I'm out here, I'm a hustler, trying to put my hands on funds like Huss Blood. I'm a hustler, Nipsey, but F on my door, make do a marathon run blood. Had to borrow that flow from Rosa quick, cause you know that I'm raw, like Rosa is. I'm on a general, I'm gonna dead them more. I'm trying to X out any gens that Rosa did. See me anywhere in grime like Courtney's pics, and I can capture the scene like Vicky Grout. 8 balls on, man, I'm not O'Sullivan, but if I got a shot, you know I gotta hit it now. No gas, bro, I'm leaving earth with your ears to the ground. I'm speaking dirt, I don't wanna touch man's flesh, but I will if I have to. Something like a vegan nurse. My bro just bust case, a cool man raging. He was so gassed that he beat it first. The jailer sign trying to get poutine like gravy chips with cheesy curds. I was on the road when AJ Trace made skid and swerve, or should I say swerve and skid. I was out here, passenger side of a German whip girl. Call me a scrub, I still serve them. Dick man, calling me up, I will serve them. Like, word to my family members, if you got P and you call my line, I'ma serve me. I don't really care, God, if you know me, then you know I want peace first. Man's on it, I only care about profit. That's word to my G is a revert. I try and know where that money's so long, I'ma buy that Mercedes 6 wheel Jeep first. And if you know me, you better know I'll be on the back roads picking up LG first. That's my bro from day, but shouts to my big bro, I've been his bro, OJ. Yeah, but half yard and I don't mean sugar, but he taught me how to make dough from Nave Smooths. Cause I'm coming from a broken home, I've been raised in this hopeless way. I'm from London town, you're like 3 months paychecks away from living out homeless days. So I gotta shout out Big Sue, that's the first guy that helped me get paid from grime. And I gotta shout out Wax Car, that's one of the first MCs that rated Mike. Then I buck Firma, that brother opened my eyes to these hating guys. Plus shouts out Ed and Mills car, them in a real and there ain't no fake inside. Sometimes I feel like I'm going mad, it's empty, something like a vacant mind. But then I snap out and I realise that really I am the one like the Asian guy. But here's the truth, brother, they hating Mike. But see, I ain't got time for that fake malarkey. That's why I bang for myself like FaZe Miyake and Antak Capoli and Sir Spyro. And shouts out every supporter, of course, we're due to take over. Sound like the greatest army. You don't know, myself, Micofcourse, West London representing. Sounds of the verse, this rhythm's treble clef. Antak Spyro each and every time. Antak everyone that I shouted out, you don't know. One extra!
I hope you enjoyed that video. You made it to the end, so that's a good sign. You can check out similar videos by clicking the links on screen now. Drop us a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.